and our player of the game, Arvin Tolentino. Coach Renzi, sinasabi ni Coach Bonnie kanina, despite a very memorable last conference, for this Philippine Cup, it's back to zero. Sabi rin niya na medyo kulang kayo sa size, undersized kayo this conference, but still, despite a taller Terra Firma, you still managed to find ways to win. Using this game as foundation para sa inyong mga susunod na laro, ano ba yung mga nakita niyo pang strengths na pwede niyong pagtrabahuhan at gamitin para sa mga susunod na laro?
Yes, number one, yung mga, siguro yung play ano namin in terms of our assist, the ball movement, kasi maganda yung ball movement namin for this game. Especially, we have 27 assists, which is sana makapitalize namin for our next games, especially this coming Wednesday against Inorsian. Then plus, siyempre, since kulang kami sa size, but still, maganda naman yung mga binibigay ng mga off-the-bench people namin like Sydney Onodere, Will Navarro, plus even Abu Brother. Positive naman sila sa game na to. So, at least this time, nabibigyan sila ng opportunity to play. Kasi last conference, sabi ng Boss Bon, is back to zero dahil wala kaming effort, wala kaming naging jacket. But still, yun lang, tulong-tulong lang kami in terms of mga little things like in rebounding, yung assist department. Ma-continue lang namin na maging maganda yung those department na makuha namin.
Thank you, Coach Renzi. Now on to you, Arvin. Fresh from being hailed as best player of last conference, you're now back in the game. There is a big X on your back offensively, of course, to stop your shooting. Pero ngayon, sabi nga ni Coach Renzi, ang dami mo bang aspects of your game na pinagtrabahuan, kita-kita rin natin yan sa iyong assists. Now, with this being your first game of the conference, ano ba yung ginusto mo talagang dalhin sa table for Northport, knowing that yung scoring, it's not something that you should rely on dahil nasa malaking X sa iyong goal?
First of all, I want to greet my dear daughter. Happy birthday. My dear daughter, Rihanna. Happy birthday, baby. I miss you. And then, there's an X on my back kasi, diba? Whenever a player wins an award, diba? Biglang meron ng and yun yung isa sa wino-work ko, especially in practice, in sharing the ball, making sure maganda yung read ko sa defense. And I can rely on my scoring lang. Diba? Dahil I'm sure yung teams yun yung munang titingnan sa akin. So I have to really be better on moving the ball, reading the defense. Diba? And in this game, medyo maganda man naging result at 12 assists. So, and also, not just my not just on passing. We, as a team, we had 27 assists, so that's good. That's also one thing na wino-work namin, sharing the ball.
Thank you, Arvin. We now open the floor to the media.
Arvin, congratulations. Arvin, yun nga, coming out kayo semifinals, yung TPC ka, is there still something to prove na yung nangyari, yung maganda nangyari last conference, it's not a fluke na pwede nyo yung maulit yun?
I believe that there's always room for improvement. Kahit ano pa yung ma-achieve mo, there's always room for improvement. Last conference we made the semi-finals. So that's a big boost on our confidence in coming into this all-Filipino Philippine Cup. And that made us believe na kaya namin mag-compete against the best of the best, reaching the semi-final. Although we lost to Ginebra, that's a good achievement for us. And hopefully, ma-carry namin yung confidence na yun, the way we played last conference, sharing the ball, sana, and this is a good start for us, and sana matuloy-tuloy.
Arvin, knowing this is the Filipino, walang import, would that be sweeter if maulit niyo yun? Yun na, considering it's the Filipino tournament.
Well, oo, no? I believe din talaga mas, but I can't say mas sweet. Pero pag naulit din namin yan, you know, without an import, di ba? Great achievement na yun. It's very good for us. And sana. But right now, you know, we're focusing on getting into the playoffs first. You know, we can't really think about, you know, reaching the finals or malagpas talaga namin yung narating namin last conference. So right now we're focusing game by game, di ba? Get most win, as much win as we can, and reaching the playoffs first, reaching the quarterfinals, and then from there, di ba, we switch the focus on, you know, reaching the semifinals, and then hopefully na finals.
Coach, good evening po. Coach, medyo lumiit kayo with the trade of JM Collins. Pero what does Abanabao brings to the table para sa
Ano naman namin yun eh, since na-trade na si JM, so kahit naman na dito pa si JM, talaga medyo maliit rin talaga yung lineup namin. But still, ang ini-impose lang talaga namin, especially with Coach Boone, is yung strength namin to yun nga, number one is to be transition offensive team kami, na which is from the last conference, yun yung na gusto namin ma-achieve na, which is na kumbaga na-achieve namin. Sana ma-duplicate na namin this coming conference. Kasi hindi kami pwede mag-rely sa mga mostly on our sets, kasi nga, we're a small team. So kung pwede kami tumakbo ng tumakbo, at the same time, malesen namin yung turnovers namin kasi for this game, we have 21 turnovers. So medyo hindi maganda for, although acceptable, ano na lang, parang kasi medyo matagal yung wala kaming game. Then plus, ito yung first game namin for this conference. Yun yung siguro malesen namin yung mga turnovers, plus makakuha ng transition offense. Now, which is magsisimula doon sa depensa namin. Which is maganda yung pinakita ng depensa namin for this game.
No more questions. Congratulations to Northport Batang Coach Benzi Bar and Arvin Valentino.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.